So, hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, I will try to use the breakout strategy and see how I use the breakout strategy, whether there is a profit or a loss. And according to the breakout strategy itself, I am going to do live trading in today's video. So it can be very interesting. And it sounds like it too. Anyway, I will try and see how the market movement is here, because it is not necessary that there will be a profit here, and there can also be a loss, because loss is also a part of trading. So there is nothing to worry about. So I feel that first of all, it is important for us to find a good chart, because whether it is a fluctuating chart or a sideways chart, there has been a lot of consolidation. So in such charts, no strategy can work properly, at least as much as we can at least apply support resistance. So first I will find a chart of this type. After that only I will see how I can use the breakout strategy here. So both these four trades of mine have become profitable. Now I will start from the beginning here. How support resistance is to be applied in a fresh chart, and how to look at the chart first. So in step 1, I will find my chart of a good movement. If a good chart is found, then after that I will try to draw support resistance. So here I have taken a horizontal line. I have placed the horizontal line here where previously the market has been bullish from this level. Okay, so there has been a breakout here, so the market movement can remain downward. So we call this thing a breakout here, because when the market has been bullish from two places, then it should be bullish from the third place as well. But here the market has broken that support level, so the market movement can become more bearish. So because of this, I have placed a trade of $200 in the downward direction here. And now I will have to wait here for a bit. Breakout strategies can be used in trend lines along with horizontal lines. Simple thing in this is that we've applied the support level, applied the resistance level. Okay, we all know that from the support level, the market movement remains bullish, and from resistance, it remains bearish. Now the market was repeatedly becoming bullish from the support level, but the sellers were so aggressive, so extremely active here, that the market movement was bearish, and they also broke the support level. So here this scenario is called a breakout. And when a breakout happens, how long does the market remain bearish? Until it goes to its support level. There will be a full effort. Whatever good support level is there below the market, it should go there and stop. Okay, so we can take advantage of this thing here. We can do a profitable trade here. So guys, finally this trade of mine has been in profit and has won. A green candle has formed. Sorry, a red candle has formed. So in the same way, I will again find a chart of a good movement. After that, I will try to apply support and resistance. I will look for a chart of this type in which I can draw support and resistance, because if it is a very sideways chart, then applying support resistance in it will not be very beneficial. So I need a little time to find support resistance and to find a chart of a good movement. So the market here is going quite bearish. So the market is very low, and but here the support level is quite good. So here I will take a horizontal line and place it like this on the lower side, because previously the market has been bullish twice from this level. So in the third time, there will be a full effort that the market remains bullish here. So because of this, I can place a trade for a green candle here, because there is nothing much big in the breakout strategy. Only support and resistance should be known, and if we are placing a trade according to support resistance, then it is good. But if sometimes such a breakout happens, then the scenarios change completely. Very simple things. There is not much rocket science in this. And let me tell you one important thing. If you have not joined the Telegram group yet, then the link is in the description. Go from there and definitely join Telegram, in which you can get many benefits. Okay, so for now, I will have to wait until the closing of this candle. After that, only I can think of something here, because there is a support level. The market movement has to remain bullish here. So I will have to wait for a bit for now. And if you have any doubt, then you must tell me in the comment box on which topic you want a video, and which is such a topic that you find very hard. Then I will try to explain it to you in a very easy way. So guys, finally this trade of mine has been profitable, and again I will try to find a chart of a good movement here. So many people had a doubt that finding a chart of a good movement means, how can I find a chart of a good movement? So I feel feel that in which support resistance can be applied well, then this is a chart of a good movement. So for now, I will try to find a chart in the same way that there is a chart of this type. So here right now, I don't find this chart special. There is a lot of downfall here. So if some candles are green and red too, then it is visible there where the support is and where the resistance is. So we can apply it. So here I will take a horizontal line. Where will I place the horizontal line? From where the market movement has started becoming bearish. So on the upper side where a long wick is formed, I have placed this level there, and I have placed a trade in the down direction here. Why? Because there is no support there. There is a good resistance level. So the market will remain bearish there. I have placed the support level on the lower side. So the market will at least try to come to the support level. So it will come till here. And we can also take advantage of this thing here. When we know the market is running near the resistance, then the market movement should remain downward because it will go to the support level. After that, only the market can bounce back here. So for now, I will have to wait here until this trade becomes profitable. And I feel that if you are a beginner, there are 4 to 5 points in technical analysis. If you understand those things, then very good trading can happen here. Actually, learning too much is not necessary. Learning only the important things is what matters. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to cover all these topics. So guys, finally this trade of mine has also been profitable here. So let me tell you something important. If you have come to my channel for the first time, then definitely subscribe. If you are a beginner, then you must also press the bell icon because many informative videos will be shared with you in the upcoming videos, which can be very helpful for beginners. So here I will again try to find a chart with good movement in which I will draw support and resistance properly. Only after that will I decide where there is a good opportunity and where I can place a trade. So I have seen this kind of chart here. It is an uptrend and sideways. It is a bit of a consolidation type uptrend. So I will avoid it. And here I can see a lot of downfall. So I have already placed a trade for a green candle using a horizontal line because the time runs out there. I can see a long wick on the lower side, and previously the market has been bullish from that level. So it is a very good indication, and we can also call this a very good support level. From here, the market has been bullish. So from here too, the market movement should be bullish. Why? Because previously the market became bullish from two places. They say in chart patterns, right, that the concept of multiple time rejection is exactly this concept. So here I have placed a level at another support level from where the market became bullish. And on the upper side, I have placed a resistance from where the market started becoming bearish. And at the very top, I have placed a resistance from where the market also became bearish. So all these levels are set in this way. If the market works according to these levels, then it is following its support and resistance. But sometimes it happens that the market does not follow these levels. So then a breakout occurs. Now, I think this trade of mine was refunded. Oh no, it has been profitable because there is a very good support level here. I have placed a double trade here because I feel it is a very strong support level. From here, the market movement will remain bullish until the next level is reached. Because you can also see previously, the market has consistently had very extreme sellers. Here, red candles are continuously showing. So the sellers are almost exhausted here. So from here, buyers will now become active. That is why the market movement can be bullish. Okay, so this is the prediction here, but nothing is 100% here. Let me tell you one important thing. I am not a financial advisor. Before placing any trade, please do your own research because trading is very risky. You can certainly make a profit here, but you can also easily incur a loss. Therefore, do not try to trade based on someone else's advice or strategy. Do not invest even $1. If you want to trade, do your own research and perform your own technical analysis before placing a trade. And the most important things are money management, risk management, and investment as well. Because you should only use 1% or 2% of the capital in your account, as there can be a lot of loss in the beginning. So if you want to avoid loss, you must follow this. Because in the beginning, beginners feel that they can be very profitable and get rich fast. But that is not possible at all. So quickly, that's why you must avoid overtrading. If you can avoid overtrading, then you can automatically avoid losses here as well. So guys, let's wait a bit, and I think this trade too, no? Actually, both of my trades have been profitable, and this green candle formed here quite nicely. So guys, that was all for today's video. Overall, besides that, so my number of trades are fixed on a daily basis. So I don't trade more than that. If there's a loss, it's fine. If there's a profit, it's also fine. If there's a loss, I try to recover it the next day. All of my trades here have been profitable, and the breakout strategy works quite well for me. That's why I've tried to share here how we can try this on a live chart to see how much accuracy we can get. So almost all my trades here were profitable, and that was all for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, then please do like it. If you're here for the first time, then please do subscribe. And if you're a beginner and also here for the first time, then you must subscribe and also press the bell icon, because the upcoming videos are going to be very informative for beginners. We'll start from the basics and go up to the advanced level, so you can get a lot of information here. So guys, that was all for today's video. And importantly, if you haven't joined Telegram, the link is in the description. Do join. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you. You